Introducing IPVanish. IPVanish provides a secure environment for everyday internet activity. Once you establish a VPN connection, all of your online traffic, web browsing, video streaming, messaging, and file sharing passes through our encrypted tunnel, while your identifying IP address is concealed. Providing reliable VPN service for more than 8 years, IPVanish is committed to giving subscribers the quality care they deserve. So getting IPVanish from the net is pretty simple. All you need to do is open up your browser and go to this website. Then select a subscription. I will be going with an annual one. Enter a valid email address and create a strong password. Now enter your bank credentials and proceed with the payment. After payment is complete, open your browser and click on the second link in the description. Now click on the orange download button. After the download is complete, go to your download folder and save the file on your desktop. Installing IPVanish is pretty easy. All you need to do is open the DMG file and drag and drop IPVanish into your applications folder. To set up the VPN, open IPVanish. You will see a pop-up window. Click on Open. It will then ask for a username and password. Enter the email and password you used when purchasing the subscription. Voila! You are now on your dashboard. Here you can change your country, your city, and you may also select a server. Once you click on the Connect button, IPVanish starts masking your IP address so that no one can track your internet activity. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. Like and subscribe. Get your subscription today and save 73% on an annual subscription and pay only $3.25 per month. This offer is valid